Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce family law expenses with Nolo, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what family law expenses typically involve. These expenses can include attorney fees, court costs, and additional legal expenses. Research your specific family law situation to identify what services you might need. Visit the Nolo website where you can find a variety of resources related to family law. Utilize their comprehensive articles to gain a clearer understanding of your legal. Consider using Nolo's legal forms and documents, which can save you money on drafting costs. Evaluate the option of self-representation if your case is straightforward. If possible, aim for mediation or collaborative law approaches to resolve disputes. These methods often reduce costs compared to traditional litigation. Check if your local court offers self-help resources or family law clinics. Use Nolo's Find a Lawyer tool if you decide you need professional legal assistance. Look for attorneys who offer free consultations or fixed-fee services. Keep clear documentation of all communications and agreements throughout the process. This can help avoid misunderstandings and additional costs later on. Budget for your legal expenses ahead of time to manage your finances better. Consider setting limits on spending, and communicate these with your attorney. Regularly review your progress to ensure you are staying within budget. Be proactive in your case preparation to minimize the time spent by your attorney. This can include gathering necessary documents and evidence before meetings. Finally, stay informed about your rights and responsibilities to make educated decisions. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce family law expenses with the help of Nolo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.